Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how we can make a delicious chicken karahi. To begin, gather your essential ingredients. You will need 1 kilogram of chicken, cut into small, manageable pieces. Also, prepare 3 medium-sized tomatoes and 2 green chilies. Make sure you have ginger garlic paste, plain yogurt, and a selection of aromatic spices on hand. Don't forget cooking oil, salt, and fresh cilantro for that perfect finishing touch. Let's get cooking. Now let's start the cooking process. Heat about 1/2 cup of cooking oil in a karahi or a deep, heavy-bottomed pan over medium-high heat. Once the oil is hot, carefully add your chicken pieces. Sear them until they turn a beautiful golden brown on all sides. Next, stir in 2 generous tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Continue to cook this mixture for about 5 to 7 minutes, allowing the fragrant aromas to fully develop. This step builds a wonderful flavor base. It is time to build the rich flavors of our karahi. Add your chopped tomatoes to the pan and cook them down until they are completely soft and mushy, blending into the chicken. Then, stir in 1 teaspoon of red chili powder and 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Follow this with 1 teaspoon of cumin powder and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Mix everything thoroughly. Finally, incorporate 1/2 cup of plain yogurt, stirring until it is well combined, which will give our karahi a lovely creamy texture. We are almost there. Reduce the heat to low, cover the karahi, and let it simmer gently for 10 to 15 minutes. This allows all the flavors to meld beautifully. Once it has simmered, remove the lid and garnish generously with sliced green chilies, fresh julienne ginger, and freshly chopped cilantro. Taste and adjust the salt if needed. Your homemade chicken karahi is now ready to be served hot. It pairs wonderfully with warm naan bread, roti, or fluffy steamed rice. Enjoy your meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.